Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute sleepy banana. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. First, let's draw the nightcap. Start with the bottom edge of the hat. Look at that! It looks like a triangle, doesn't it? Now, let's draw the rest of the hat. Whoosh! Pull your pencil up and around. And don't forget to add a fluffy pom-pom right on top. Next, let's draw our banana body. Make it curvy like a crescent moon. Wiggle, wiggle, what a sleepy shape. Let's add some little lines and details to our banana. Now, let's draw the eyes. Make them closed and peaceful. Draw a tiny smile. He must be having a good dream. Our banana sketch is done. Now, let's bring it to life with some colors. Use pink for those two cute little cheeks. Tapping lightly, dab, dab, dab. So rosy. Use bright yellow to color the whole banana body. Take your time here, no need to rush. Make it shine like the sun. Color the hat with blue, but leave the edge in the pom-pom white. Careful now, stay inside the lines. It's looking so cozy. Yay! We did it! Our sleeping banana is finished. Isn't he adorable? If you want, you can draw 2 or 3 more so he can have some banana friends. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!